live, man, guys? Let me check on you. I think you're on live also. Ah, you're not on live anymore. But you have a coming live. Time press lang, nagrarap. Nananay ko, magluto na daw. Sige, Marion. Take your time, Marion. Thank you so much for making my day. Laughing, laughing. Have a good day, Marion. 6 kayo muna magpa-finger dyan, ah. 7 na sila dito, Marion. Sa akin, 7. Hayaan mo na lang sila dyan. Ano dyan? Matamad dyan sila. Mine games. Max creating. Hello, welcome. How did you find me, sir or ma'am? Are you ma'am or sir? Thanks for dropping by. Max creating. Let me check on you if you have a channel. They already connected to you. Next creating. Thumbs up, Kuya Gangging. Thank you. All along. Nakatambay lang to, Miss Shanky. Thank you, Kuya Ganggang, Marian. Love na lang. Anong love? Gano ka ba? 9.6, 9.3. My goodness. Ang laki na ng bahay mo. You have a palace house. Makes creating. You are blue now. You have a jacket now. You can drop your link at one at a time. Okay? Thank you for coming over on my street. Anong love na lang? Anong love po? Host, naka-envy ka. Ano envy? Invisible? Okay lang po yan. Thank you so much, Marian. Kuya Ganggam, thumbs up, wasak, yahoo. Connect na ko sa iyo, mix creating. Connected down to you, mix creating. Kaya naman, ang laki na ng bahay mo. Ah, kilala mo si James Get. Thanks, host. You're welcome. Next creating. Ano man po, 6.5. 65 point na si James Get. James Get. Can we connect the one I pin above? It's Mary Monty. She have 547 subscribers, I think. Thank you. I'm loud and clear now. Time check the Philippine time. It's 11:22. Time check brought to you by Mix Creating, Marian, Kuya Gangan, Mind Games, Chalonian State. Who else are here? Jong, Official TV, SBS TV, Lucy Luis, Lurkers, silent viewers around there, thank you. Shangri-La, buka, pigi, oink, pigi, oink, pigi, starts snort. Fallen Angel, thank you for dropping by. Buyaka. Pigi, oink, pigi, oink. Pigi, oink, pigi, oink. Piggy girl, your face so pale. You like it? What about this one? Your hair is blonde. Yes, I like it blonde. Like this one?